Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the AIPER Surfer S2 solar-powered pool surface skimmer robot. I've gone through the internet, checked out specs, and read real user impressions so you can get an honest look at whether this device is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Surfer S2 is a solar-powered pool skimmer, which means it primarily runs on sunlight, using clean energy to remove leaves, debris, pollen, and bugs from the water surface. This is great if you want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly way to keep your pool tidy throughout the day. The robot features dual charging modes, so it can also charge via cable when sunlight isn't enough, giving it 24/7 continuous cleaning capability. One of the standout features is app support. You can control the skimmer from your phone, schedule cleaning times, and even monitor battery status remotely. There's also smart obstacle avoidance, which allows it to navigate around pool edges, ladders, and other obstacles without getting stuck, making it fully autonomous for most backyard pools. The filtration system is another highlight. The Surfer S2 uses 150-micron mesh filtration, which captures fine debris and keeps the water clean without needing constant manual intervention. It's easy to remove and clean, so maintenance is straightforward. Additionally, the skimmer supports OTA upgrades, so you can keep the software up to date with new features and improvements, ensuring it stays smart and efficient over time. Browsing through online reviews, users appreciate how effortless it is to keep their pool surface clean without constantly scooping or manual skimming. Many mention that it works well in sunny environments and that the solar power is enough for daily cleaning in moderate-sized pools. Some note that in shaded pools or during prolonged cloudy days, you may need to rely on the secondary charging mode, but this is expected for solar-powered devices. So the big question, should you buy the AIPER Surfer S2 solar pool skimmer? Based on what I've seen online, I'd say yes, if you want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly, and smart solution for keeping your pool clean automatically. Its combination of solar power, smart navigation, app control, and fine filtration makes it convenient for daily pool maintenance without manual work. It's especially ideal for homeowners who want a sustainable, energy-saving way to maintain a clean pool surface year-round. If you're looking for a smart, solar-powered pool skimmer that's easy to use, environmentally friendly, and works efficiently on its own, the AIPER Surfer S2 is definitely worth considering. And that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest reviews of smart home and pool gadgets, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.